Hello, my name is Mark Labourdette, and I'm the owner of HomeStory Marin. And if you're receiving this video, it's because we are now scheduling your doors to be installed. And so first of all, I want to thank you for your patience as we work through 2020, 2021. COVID, supply chain issues have definitely been a challenge, but we're through that now, and those things are out of my control, but now you're the things that are part of my control. And I want to express my team's commitment to you having a good experience in finishing this project. So you've likely already experienced that. You've likely met Pam, seasoned pro. I've known Pam my entire life in construction. I met her when I was 18 years old. For 40 years, I've known her, very experienced, and I'm sure you found her to be helpful. And Yvette and Ben in the office have been responsible for contacting you, and hopefully you found them to be very pleasant, very competent, and following up with you on details. And then Jamie, who's come out to do your measure. Great guy, very competent, very organized, and he's our production manager. Now you get to meet Thomas and Juan, who are great craftsmen, super nice guys. You're going to find that working with them in your home to be very pleasant, and it should go very well. So two things are going to happen at the end of the job that I want you to make aware of. We're going to have photos of the after, and we're going to encourage you to share your transformation of your home and how well it looks with your friends and family. Obviously, we benefit by that, but we want people rave about how much they love the transition of their home, and we want them to, if you feel comfortable, if not, that's fine. But share that with your friends and family. We would very much appreciate that. Also, you're going to get a call from the Guild Quality. Guild Quality is a company that surveys clients to make sure the experience went well. We really hope that you can participate in that survey because that gives us very important feedback on how we performed as a team. We celebrate successes. When we get 97% of our clients give us 100% on 10 criteria of qualification. So 97%, and we celebrate that. So we talk about your job, we talk about what it was like working in your home, and we celebrate good. If something doesn't go well, we talk about what happened and how can we correct that behavior so we don't repeat it in the future. So we are committed to you having a positive, good experience with HomeStory Marin. So we hope you enjoy your project. And we look forward to your review through the Guild Quality, and hopefully you can share with your friends and family your beautiful, new, transformed home just by doing the doors. So we appreciate you being a client. Thank you.